Good day, everyone. I want to share with you my lesson presentation about sequence. Topic from Math 10. The first one is having their activating prior knowledge about the topic. So, ang ginawa ko dyan ay giving ideas and opinions of our learners about the word sequence. The learners write their synonyms in a short typewriting from the word sequence and let them show their creativity, like the example. I having my scoring rubric and description and also the points. Then the lesson purpose from the most essential learning competencies. We have the learner generates patterns. The term means, arithmetic means, and term of an arithmetic sequence, and some of the terms from an arithmetic sequence. Yung sum of the terms from an arithmetic sequence may be a one slide presentation because I discuss only the n term and the arithmetic sequence formula, which is explicit formula. From that, we have the back to basic activity. So the learners recall the law of exponents. And we have also do the puzzle, which is the exponent rules puzzle. For the unlocking content vocabulary, I discuss in the class the word sequence and the characteristics of a sequence. Then we have our activity to try the given problem. For 10 minutes, they're going to do this activity. The first activity is write down the next three terms of each of the following sequences. Then also we have the formula for the sequences and defined by the formula using the sequences. Then after the activity, we'll check their output. Then for understanding, they going to fill in the missing number that completes the sequence. I give them uh, 3 minutes to this activity from numbers 1 to 18. Then after the activity, we will check, and the next day, I discuss some terms about the sequence to develop and deepening their understanding, like infinite sequence and finite sequence, and also the definition of arithmetic sequence. The definition of arithmetic sequence is from AI generated definition. Then this give the definition of arithmetic sequence to the class. Discuss the arithmetic sequence formula, then also how to find missing numbers in an arithmetic sequence. We have the following steps. Then we have the following methods using the formula of arithmetic sequence and find the next term in an arithmetic sequence. The first step is find the common difference for the sequence. Second, check the common difference is consistent. Third, add the common difference to the last given term. Also, the second method, finding a missing internal term. The first one is verify that you are starting with an arithmetic sequence. Second, add the common difference to the term before the space. Then the last step is subtract the common difference from the term following the space. Then we have the third method, finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. The first step is identify the first term of the sequence. Define your common difference as D and use the explicit formula. Then Y being the explicit formula of arithmetic sequence, fill in the information to solve the problem. Then fourth method, using the explicit formula to find additional information with the following formulas. If the given is unknown arithmetic, unknown arithmetic term, we have the first term plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. If we are looking for the first term, the formula is the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference minus the last term, or a sub n. Then, if the given is looking for the value of n, we have the formula of a sub n minus a sub 1 divided by the common difference plus 1. Yan. Okay, next. I give them problems. Okay, to use the explicit formula or maybe the methods that we discussed while ago. The first one is find the missing number in arithmetic sequence. Determine the values of question marks for the given arithmetic sequence. What number should replace the question marks in the following arithmetic sequence? Determine the value of the question mark in the arithmetic sequence written below. And given, find the missing number in above arithmetic sequence. So, dyan, kaya binigay ko sa kanila yung word problem para maging familiar na sila sa exam. Kasi usually sa exam binibigay ay word problem, hindi lang naman yung sequence. Okay, para matuto na yung mga learners. So this activity is good for 3 minutes. Then after, maybe in the next day, we have the lesson activity, which is activity 1, find me, locate the following words in the box, happy hunting. Ito naman nakita ko lang din sa Google, yung activity 1, tsaka itong si activity 2. So within 10 minutes, they're going to find the 6 words: arithmetic, sequence, term, set, rule, difference, maybe diagonally, horizontally, vertical, or pwedeng pabaliktad yung words. Nabibilugan nila hanggang makita nila yung 6 na words. For the activity 2, solve the following problem using the explicit formula of arithmetic sequence. So number 1, find the next 3 terms. Second, find the 25th term, find the 20th term, and find the 75th term using the explicit formula of arithmetic sequence. Good for 10 minutes na yan. Kung talagang di man ganong kagalingan ang ating mga bata, pwede namang maging 15 minutes para lahat ay makasunod at tumama sa kanilang ginagawa or sa bawat activity kasi sayang din naman yung points. Then next, let us test their understanding. Meron tayong ginawang process questions. Ito ay nanggaling sa isang module na kinuha ko. Maganda kasi yung pagkakagawa dun sa process questions. Kaya inadapt natin. Okay, so pwedeng ipagawa natin dun sa ating pwede ilagay ito sa portfolio o kaya dun sa feedback or journal nila para at least makita natin yung understanding nila sa ating lesson about sequence. So diyan pa lang ma-assess natin kung naintindihan ni learner yung ating discuss ng 3 araw or 4 na araw. Then complete the prayer model below. Meron tayong definition na arithmetic sequence, hayaan natin sila magbigay ng ideya. Kung memorize naman nila yung definition natin while we discuss about arithmetic sequence, pwede naman. Facts and characteristics, samples, non-examples. Then process questions, we have 2 questions there. How did you determine the examples and non-examples of an arithmetic sequence? How will you know that a given sequence is arithmetic or not? Then let us try to assess them. So we have the skills, practice, and identifying arithmetic sequence. Identify if the given is arithmetic, check the yes column. If no, check the no column. Then, if yes, find the common difference of the given arithmetic sequence. After the slide presentation, we have the activity, which is integrative activity for arithmetic sequence. Bali, naisip ko lang dito naman ay yung dance, sequence dancing. So, yung meaning ng sequence dancing is from AI generated definition. Okay? So, kukuha sila ng sequence of TikTok dance music, maybe 3 music, pwedeng 2 music. Okay? Make sure na yung mga dance step ay makikita natin yung sequence nila. So it says the steps are arranged in such a way that everybody is dancing the same steps at the same time, usually to either 16 or 32 bars of music. So the dance music and presentation is good for 1 minute. So meron tayong dance performance analytic rubric. Galing din kay Google yan. Okay, so we have the criteria, knowledge and choreography, stage presence, musically. Excellent 4 points, proficient 3 points, satisfactory 2 points, beginners 1 point. And we have the following description on each criteria. So usually ito, binibigay ko pag Friday para meron dadaang Saturday and Sunday. Pero bawal mag-practice sa labas, pwede namang i-present nila 'to after 2 days para at least prepared at maganda yung kanilang presentation. Then, yeah. Thank you for listening. At least nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano ituro yung lesson na sequence and arithmetic sequence. So, ito ay introduction pa lang. Wala pa tayo dun sa sabihin natin pinaka-moment ni arithmetic sequence kasi meron pa yung sum of arithmetic sequence. So maybe next week natin gagawa ng presentation yon at activity para maganda ang kinalabasan ng ating lesson presentation sa mga bata. So iwan ko uli yung sinasabi ni George Cantor, the essence of mathematics is its freedom, and James Joseph Silas Sylvester, mathematics is the music of reason. So thank you very much for your follow, subscribing, like, share, and comments. Have a nice day, everyone.